Hello guys, welcome back to another video from How to Webmaster. Today let's check out another awesome free tool from 4people.com. This is the free AI privacy policy generator. It will automatically write a template for you for your privacy policy for your website, generated by AI. And here on this page, all you have to do is enter in your website details like your company name, URL of your website, contact information like your email, what is your website about. Here are some examples like a blog about fishing, an affiliate review site, e-commerce website selling whatever. So let me input in these details. Alright, for this example, my website is How to Webmaster, company name, URL is right here, email address. And what is the website about? A blog about webmaster tutorials with product reviews, and the site uses Google AdSense for generating income. So let's click on here, AI generate privacy policy, and down below it generated a privacy policy template for me with 590 words. Here it is. Alright, got my company name, kind of information collected. This is a general template that will fit most of the websites out there. And then talking about cookies, so all the important stuff is here. And then of course at the end, the contact us page. So everything is already pre-written for you, generated by AI, unique to your website, but a lot of these policies can be applied to most websites, so it'll fit most websites. So anyhow, this is a free tool, and I'll leave the link down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.